product of force into radial distance, that is radius, that is force into radius. So twisting moment is the product of force and radius. Next, convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. So it's nothing but the pump. Mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Fill in the blanks is a small opening made in the bottom of a tank. So this is nothing but the orifice. This is a tank and here is a small opening. This is known as orifice. Next, the section which has a minimum cross section are in a flow is known as vena contra. So the section at which there is a minimum area, so this is known as vena contra. Next, the theoretical velocity. You know, theoretical is velocity is nothing but the under root of 2gh. This is nothing but this under root of 2g. A key made from a cylindrical disc having a segmental cross section area is a Woodruff key. Next, the bench vise has a following type of thread. So bench vise has a square thread. If a part is constrained to move and heated, when the part is totally constrained and if we heat it, the compressive stress is developed. The Poisson ratio is defined as the ratio of lateral stress to the longitudinal stress. A body is transmitting torque of T Newton meter at n rpm convert into horsepower. This is nothing but the 2 pi nt upon 75. This is nothing but the horsepower. Next, screw used for power transmission should be high efficiency. A taper provided on the pattern for its easy and clean is known as draft allowance. The cavitation in hydraulic machine is mainly due to the low pressure. Hydraulic and thermal boundary layer will merge when Prandtl number is 1. Motion of cam is transmitted to the wall through rocker arm. So this is the cam, this is the rocker arm, and here is the wall. So this is known as rocker arm. The firing order of inline full cylinder engine is 1, 3, 4, 2. Which of the following is an example of higher prayer? Toothed gear, belt and rope dive, ball and ruler. So all. So these three all are the example of higher pair. We know in higher pair there is a point or a line of contact. Okay. Next, when two links are connected by a pin joint, their instantaneous center is at a pin joint. Relative velocity of B with respect to A in a rigid link AB is the velocity of A with respect to B. It's always perpendicular. When an axis of first and last wheel are coaxial, the gear train is known as a reverted gear train. By property of it involve a great amount of steam and other gases. The property of it is nothing but a property of sand. So what is the property of sand? By which it contains steam and other gases. So this is nothing but the permeability. So we discussed this question. We will discuss further questions in next series. Thank you.